In this video, I will show you how to remove photo background using Canva for free. Blank pages opened. And the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Elements. You have to take a photo. I will search for portrait. I'm going to take this one. So at first, you have to select the photo first, then to go to Edit Image. We will find Bg Remover. We just have to click it. Here you can see the background is. Other option we can do to remove this background. Take another photo. I'm going to Elements again. I'm going to search with Portrait. I'm going to Photos and taking this one to show you. Another option is that again you have to go to Edit Image after selecting this photo and then find Magic Grab. Then you have to select the Elements. I'm going to select this one as I am to pick this person photo from this background and I will hit the wrap. Okay, so you can see the person is taken out from this photo. Now you can delete this one. So this is the option available in Canva to remove background.